妖怪体操第一ウィス。いけるぜこの味。ウィス。もう一丁言ってみようかい。どうしてうんちは臭いんだ。食べたものは臭くない。どうしてうんちはプンプンプン。どうしてうんこはプンプンプン。どうは
Okay, maraming salamat, Jollibee.
Excited na excited pa rin yung mga bata. Ikaw ba na-excite kapag nakikita mo si Jollibee?
Hindi, naalala ko lang, gusto ko umorder ng two-piece chicken joy, spicy chicken joy with extra rice and upsize.
Ang dami naman.
To pineapple
Grabe.
juice, hindi, yung commercial lang yun. Okay, so welcome to the second part of our program, the Philippines-Japan Friendship Grant Pyrotechnics in honor of the veteran soldiers and concert with the local artists.
To formally begin our show, please welcome the Mayor of Municipality of Pilar, our host venue, Honorable Alicia D. Pizarro.
Our distinguished guests, we have here with us Ms. Susan Femister, the Vice Consul for the Embassy of the United States, General Ernesto Carolina, Administrator of PBAO, Mayor Antonio Raimundo, Mayor of Orion, Mayor Ace Concepcion, Mayor of Mariveles. We also have Vice Mayor Marino Cagimbal, together with the Sangguniang Bayan members and all the kapitans, punong barangays in the municipality of Pilar. Our special guests for this evening, we have the Rotary of Manila, headed by their district governor nominee, Rudy and Sharon Bediones. The past Vice President, Lance Masters. Past Director, Oca del Rosario. Past Treasurer, Muhammad Aslom. We also have Rotarians Rick Ramos and Rotarian Tong Payumo. We also have Consul General Oscar de Venecia. We also have with us the Has Club of Balanga and Foundation Incorporated, headed by Engineer Celso Valdecañas. And of course, our dear friend, Mr. Kenji Mori. And to all the Bataeños, a pleasant evening to all. We are gathered here today, still as part of our commemoration of the 75th anniversary of our Araw ng Kagitingan. For the youth of today, what we celebrate now may just be an event that is of no personal significance. Nevertheless, I thank you for coming to our programs because by doing so, you have at least shown your interest in knowing our province's glorious and historic past. But to the remaining few who had lived through the horrors of the last world conflict, this celebration is our tribute for the gallantry they had shown in the face of our dark past. Araw ng Kagitingan is not about preserving the memory of our nations lost in the Second World War. It is not about memorializing the fall of Bataan. Rather, it is a celebration of the rise of Bataan from the ashes of war. It is no longer about the enemies we fought, but about the friendships we have forged. And today, we have among us a friend who has gone out of his way to ensure that this year's commemoration will be among the best celebrations that Araw ng Kagitingan has ever had through the years. The generous donor of this 27-minute, 75,000 shot pyrotechnic musical display has made it his mission to erase the bitter memories of the Second World War and replace them with shouts of jubilation through pyrotechnic display. Our dear friend, we thank you for sponsoring this event. Likewise, we thank you for your effort to foster a warm relationship between our two peoples. Fellow Bataeños and other guests who are here today to witness this amazing pyrotechnic display, welcome to this evening's event. We hope you will enjoy the show. From the people of Pilar, thank you all for coming. God bless Bataan. God bless us all.
Okay, thank you very much, Mayor Alice.
At syempre, hindi lang si Mayor Alice ang magbibigay sa atin ng pagbati ngayong gabi na to. So para magbigay ng isang pagkilala, tinatawagan po natin ang punong barangay ng Orion, punong bayan ng Orion, Mayor Antonio Raimundo Jr.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga panauhin, to our distinguished guest, Administrator Ernesto Carolina, Miss Susan Pimester. Sa inyo po lahat, isang magandang gabi. Magkakaroon ng katotohanan ang isang napakagandang fireworks na mangyayari dito sa ating probinsya na kung saan sa bayan ng Japan, nagkakaroon sila ng hanabe to commemorate their deads. Pero ngayon, dala na isang kaibigan, ang isang magarbong fireworks, hindi lamang para i-honor ang ating mga namatay na sundalo, kundi pati ang ating mga nabubuhay na veterano. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga veteranos. I'd like to invite Mr. Kenji on the stage, please. I will read the citation. In deep appreciation and recognition of his valuable assistance to the municipality of Orion Bataan and its people, which greatly benefited the students, thus providing the cultural differences is not a hindrance in providing civic service and serving as an inspiration to the youth to pursue his higher appreciation because of his good example. This plaque of recognition is presented to Mr. Kenji Mori this 9th day of April 2017 at Pilar during the celebration of the 75th year of Araw ng Kagitingan. Signed, yours truly, Antonio Raimundo Jr. Congratulations, sir. Thank you very much.
We would like to call on stage as well Mayor Alice Pizarro to present.
Ayan. So for a token. So magbibigay na siya ng token kay Sir Kenji.
And we would like to invite on stage as well. No. Okay. So, what should we say? Arigato gozaimashita. Mori-sama.
Ang haba.
Great.
Mamaya na lang yan. Pag-aaralan ko pa.
We would like to call on the administrator of the Bataan World War II Museum, Has Club of Balanga. Please welcome Ms. Teresita Pizarro.
Mayor Alice Pizarro, Mayor Tony Pep Raimundo, Mr. Ernesto Carolina, Vice Consul of U.S. Embassy Susan Pemister, Vice Consul General Oscar de Benicia, Rotary of Manila, headed by its District Dominie Rudy and Sharon Bedjones, fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, friends, most especially to our Japanese friend, Mr. Kenji Mori. Good evening. Tonight, we thank the Lord that He has given us a lovely evening as a backdrop to our celebration of the 75th anniversary of the Araw ng Kagitingan here in Pilar, Bataan. Taking part in this anniversary celebration is our guest and benefactor, Mr. Kenji Mori from Osaka, Japan. Our friend had visited many schools in various parts of the country where he personally handed in his donations of sound systems, balls, school supplies for the schools and their students. Bataan was not in his itinerary, but the Rotary Club of Manila invited him to see Bataan before proceeding to another place. In Bataan, he visited several schools, particularly the Balanga Elementary School, to give his donations. While at the Balanga Elementary School, he went to see the Bataan World War II Museum. At the museum, I told him about our experiences during the war. I also told him about the forthcoming celebration of the 75th anniversary of the Araw ng Kagitingan on the 9th day of April. This was a memorable day for both contending parties in that war. For them, it was memorable because it was a day of victory. For us, it was memorable because it was the day our soldiers made their last stand in defense of democracy. The Araw ng Kagitingan, therefore, is our tribute to the bravery and heroism of our soldiers. At the end of this program, we will witness the huge and magnificent fireworks that our guest donated for this affair. For being a part of our celebration and for his donation, we thank our friend from the bottom of our hearts. So today, we thank the Lord for making this affair possible and also for sending him to our land. We hope this will not be his last visit here in Bataan. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy the fireworks. Good night.
Yeah, thank you very much, Tita Tessie.
Thank you, Tita Tess.
Yan. The moment we've all been waiting for is about to unfold. Grabe na to. Lahat
getting
ba
closer.
excited? Mahina naman, parang hindi naman sila excited. Excited na ba? Yes.
Pero mamaya pa.
Pero mamaya, tinatanong lang namin.
Oo. So ito, let's teach muna our audience and a few of our kids a few lessons in Nihongo.
Yeah,
Kasi
okay.
kailangan nila sabihin mamaya to eh.
Okay.
Ito, repeat after me. Arigato Nihon. Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Of course. Thank you, Japan.
Yes, thank you Japan for this one. Very good, Tara. Thank you,
Thank you.
Japan. Now let's teach them. Watashi ta chiba, Philippine da gaisuki.
Okay, so punta na tayo sa susunod na topic. Ang hirap naman nun.
Ibig sabihin naman nun, again, that's Watashi ta chiba, Philippine da gaisuki. We love the Philippines. Do we love the Philippines? Mamaya, pa nag-fireworks. So, bago po ang fireworks display, mamaya, pagkatapos po ng countdown, ng isisigaw natin, mamaya, may bilang, di ba?
Oh, hindi na.
3, 2, 1. We love the Philippines! Sige nga, isa nga po.
Dapat sabay-sabay.
Ang taas ng energy nyo.
Oo
Naghapunan
nga.
na ba kayo?
At
Kami
try
rin.
nga natin. Sisigaw natin na, we love the Philippines. Sabay-sabay nga daw.
We love the Philippines!
Dapat mamaya mas malakas.
So yan po ang magiging hudyat bago simulan ng ating pinakaabangang pyrotechnics display.
Pero syempre,
Before the feast for your eyes happen, let us fill the air and your ears with beautiful, beautiful music first.
Please welcome the STEAM local artist of Bataan in a musical extravaganza.
See the smoke when the sun shines. Captivated in your cold eyes. We will forever be faded under gold skies. See the smoke when the sun shines. We will forever be faded under gold skies. Captivated in your cold eyes. We will forever be faded under gold skies.
Okay, pwede po bang manawagan muna? Meron pong isang nawawalang bata. His name is Jacob Domingo. We believe ang nanay po niya ay si Odessa Domingo from Tuyo. Si Jacob Domingo po ay nasa Sitio Aquino.
Muli